Hi everyone, and welcome to the next part in the Tech Tips series. And today I'm going to show you how to access a web browser on a few devices that might not have occurred to you. So the first one we'll do is I'll show you how to access the web on a console. So what I'm going to access it on is a PS4, but this will work on, say, an Xbox One or an Xbox 360 or even a PS3. So if anyone in your household has one of those kicking around, you can browse the web on it. So I'm just going to boot up the PS4 now, and I'll show you how I get onto the web. So the first thing I do is go all the way down to the right, and there's a library. And if I go in there, in the All section, there is a internet browser, and I'll just launch that. So this is very much like a normal web browser. So if I just go to office.com, and it should remember my login details from last time. So there we go. I'm onto my Office. So if I just click on all apps here, you can go through all of your Office apps. So if I just scroll down a bit, I've got a Canvas link. So I'll just load up Canvas off here. Might take a sec to load, but there we go. So that's the Canvas dashboard, and that's on a games console. So if you don't have access to your PC or your laptop, then you're in a bit of a pinch. If anyone in your household has a console, as a last resort, you can boot up the web browser, and you can do a few things on there. So I'll just power the PS4 down, and I'll show you another way you can do it. So if you've got a smart TV, you might have a web browsing app built into it. So if I press the home button on my TV, you see how I've got this apps menu here. If I click into that, as you can see at the bottom right there is a TV browser app. Now if I load that up, it loads like a web browser on your PC does, and I've got some bookmarks here. So if I just click on Google, it is a bit more finicky on the TV with your remote control, just because it's not as easy to move the cursor around. And if I just search in, I just Google office.com. Okay, and then I'll just move down to Google search. Some of you might find this easier if you've got a fancy TV remote that lets you kind of move it around to aim. But just Google it, there we go. So as you can see, top result, Office 365 login. So from here you can do similarly to what I did on the PlayStation. So then log in, go onto Office 365 apps, and you can access Canvas that way. So I hope that's given you a few options, just in case you don't have access to your PC or your laptop. So I hope that's been helpful to you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.